Mehmet from Istanbul, Turkey, and today I'll give you some tips about how to grow a mango. So mango is a plant that's native to India. When you consider India, you will probably remember that in India the weather is hot and humidity is really high. So you should provide these conditions when you try to germinate a mango. So what do you need actually to grow a mango in home conditions? First of all, you should need a knife, a plastic bag, plastic wrap, small amount of water, and a plastic, and of course a mango. Now we are starting, and we should cut the mango in 2 pieces to take the seed inside. You should watch out because you might cut your finger when you try to do this process. So I suggest you to be really careful when you cut it. Before starting, also be in mind that you have to be careful because when you cut the mango in 2 pieces, you shouldn't damage seed inside. Otherwise, you should buy another one. So let's start. Then I start cutting from here. And I again warn you that you should be really careful. As you see, I did a round cut around mango. You can pull 2 sides against to take the seedling. But it's really hard. And if it is still hard, you can do another round. It was really a hard process, but finally I have my seed. And as you see the seed, there is a shell. So a shell covers the actual seed. So we should take the seed out of this shell actually. So we will do another cutting process, but you should be really careful, otherwise you may damage the seed inside. So actually, again, I warn you, you should be really careful because you may cut your finger. You should be really careful because when you touch the seed, you will feel that it's really slippery. So you have to be careful. So now we will open the shell. So I do a point with the knife. You shouldn't be use too much. As you see, I do a point on the shell with the knife. Please be slow as much as you can, not to damage yourself. It will take a bit time, but at the end, we will have the seedling in the best condition. After the struggling moments, I have the seed inside my hands. You see on the seed there is a layer. You can pull them out. You can pull it out. It will be better to germinate. Now I have everything ready. I moved the layer out of the seed. So now I have this plastic bag and I put the seed inside this plastic bag and I put little water inside. This water will provide a humid environment for the seed. And after I completed this process, I will cover this plastic bag with a plastic wrap. I have everything ready. You should put this bag close to a heater so the heater will provide the actual heat that the seed needs, and the water inside will provide a humid environment for the seed to germinate fast. Actually, mangoes are really fast to grow, so in 2 or 3 days you will see that the seed will turn into green color and it will give some roots. We will see what's going to happen in next days.